Good morning. Well, it's time for your weather on the 7s. Temperatures right now starting to warm up. It's still a little bit cool in Stanton. Those showers are going to hold off at least for the next couple of days. And we have several chances of showers and storms as we head through this week. I'll let you know if we can dodge the rain for Independence Day. These temperatures are going to be on the rise as we head through the day. Also, the humidity going up. Overall, we're going to be staying mainly clear even through tomorrow, seeing a lot of sunny skies. Now for today, we can see those temperatures right near average for this time of year. Those mountain communities getting up into the lower 80s, Roanoke, Lynchburg at 86, and then Southside warming to near 90. So don't cancel any plans if you have to get outside. Right now, you can see on the satellite and radar, we did have a few storms moving through, but as you can see in that weather video, a lot of blue skies as well. That's right. Yeah, well, the evenings are going to be beautiful, especially if you like to get outside, like the cooler weather, maybe keep your windows open. It's going to be much cooler. We're going to see reduced humidity. That's when the dew points are really going to start to increase. We're going to have those dew points making things feel very muggy. It's definitely going to feel like summer. So if you can get out to a pool on Friday, I would highly recommend it. We may see a few showers this morning, but overall, we're not expecting anything to move through until late this afternoon and then again late in the afternoon on Saturday. However, the humidity is going to be way up. For today, we're going to be up in the 65 to 70 degree dew point range, and then for Saturday, even higher than that. So it is going to definitely be feeling like summer. So if you take a look at Friday's forecast, you can see we are expecting it to be mostly a mix of sun and clouds with just a slight chance of a stray storm moving through for the afternoon. So it's not going to be a total washout for Friday. We're left with this clear, dry air that's going to be moving into the region, and that's going to stay with us at least through the day Monday. So for tonight, temperatures fall to the 50s for lows. So if you're heading out early tomorrow morning, you might want to grab a light sweater. It's going to be a little bit chilly for some of us. 59 will be the low in Roanoke, 57 for Lynchburg, 57 down in Danville as well. So we're going to see some showers this morning possible for the New River Valley and some areas of the highlands, but any of this rainfall for the morning will be confined to the mountain region. Most of us seeing a mix of sun and clouds for the first part of the day. Then as we head into the afternoon, that's when we start to see the chance for some isolated showers and storms moving through for the afternoon, with those high temperatures getting up just a few degrees above average, and it's going to feel even hotter than that, as I said, with those high dew points.
Weather Center, your hometown forecast.
Welcome back. Well, let's take a look at our current temperatures and conditions around the region. You can see the sun still shining from our Bedford National D-Day Memorial. The sun's not going to set until 8:44 tonight. So if you still have plans to get outside, it's going to be beautiful. It's still at 90 degrees here in Roanoke. We got all the way up to 93 for today's high temperature. And still seeing that sunshine here as well. Humidity at 38%. We're going to see the humidity relatively lower due to some of those showers and storms that moved through the area, and that wind pretty light out of the west-northwest at 9 miles per hour. So we're going to see that light breeze continuing through tonight and the rest of the day tomorrow. Taking a look at satellite and radar for right now, we can still see a few of those isolated storms and showers moving through the southern portion of our region. The New River Valley is going to see a few more of those showers and storms through the rest of this evening. And then we've got the potential for some afternoon showers and storms tomorrow as well, because you can see that rainfall is still off to our west and our south. That's going to be moving through the region as we head through these next couple of days. So that's why we've got the chance for some isolated showers and storms moving through, but with the humidity so low, it's going to be hard for them to really stick together as they enter the region. Now for the rest of the night, we've got the potential for a few scattered storms at 7 p.m. and then by 8, we're looking like we're going to be in the clear for most of us, and then just staying mostly cloudy for the rest of the evening. And those clouds actually going to act as a blanket, keeping us pretty warm tonight. We're only going to be falling down into the 70s and upper 60s across the region with high humidity. So it's going to feel pretty muggy tonight. And if you're waking up early tomorrow morning, still going to feel that humidity. Temperatures tomorrow, it's going to be another hot day in the region. You can see up into the upper 80s to near 90 degrees, 90 for Danville and South Boston. Those mountain communities getting up into the mid to upper 80s as well. So another hot day in the forecast. We've got the potential for a few isolated showers for the afternoon. Tonight, we do have the potential for one more push of energy to bring some heavier rainfall, but most of that's looking like it's going to fall apart. And then Sunday afternoon, right around 1 or 2 o'clock, that's when we can see some isolated showers and storms for the southern portion of our region. Again, south side, the New River Valley, likely to see a few isolated showers moving through, but most of it's not going to be too heavy, and it's going to be clearing out pretty quickly. So for the second half of the day, Sunday, things are looking pretty good, and then Monday looking like a beautiful sunny day in the forecast. So as we head towards the 4th of July, you can see we've got this front that's going to be stalling over us. So we do have the potential for some scattered storms, but it's just a 20% chance. Most of us are actually going to stay pretty dry for Tuesday with a high temperature right near 90 degrees. So it is overall going to be a beautiful holiday for you. Showing you that in the 7-day planner, you can see just a 20% chance of some of those stray storms for Sunday afternoon. Monday, nice and sunny, and then Tuesday, 20% chance. Most of the heavier rainfall is going to hold off until Wednesday. So it looks like we should be in the clear. If you have any outdoor plans, not going to be a washout. Don't cancel anything.
Good. I'm gonna have my fingers crossed for a beautiful holiday weekend.
Definitely. It sounds like we've been okay today around these parts.
Welcome back. Well, several of our viewers sent us in photos that looked like this. It looks like a rainbow in the clouds. And what exactly is it? This is called a circumhorizontal arc. So what that means is there are some ice crystals in the sky. So whenever you see those clouds that look fairly wispy, they're very high up in the atmosphere, so high that the droplets of water are actually ice crystals. So when these ice crystals align just right with the sun's rays, they can actually turn into what looks like a rainbow. And if there were enough of these ice crystals spanning across, it would actually be span the entire horizon. That's why it's called a horizontal arc. Now these are pretty rare, and in our latitude you can really only see them right around the summer solstice. So anyone who got a good look at this or a good picture got pretty lucky today. So thanks so much for sending those in to us. Now taking a look across the area for tomorrow, we're going to be a little bit cooler. You can see this area in the green and yellow. That's a dip of cooler air that's going to be moving into the region. So tomorrow we're going to be topping out in the 70s, and the reason why is a series of cold fronts moving through the area. So the first one is going to drop us down to about 79 degrees, which is 5 degrees below average for this time of year. And then that second cold front moves through for Tuesday. Tuesday's high temperatures will be topping out about 10 degrees below average. 76 degrees will be the high. And then this high pressure system is going to be taking control, keeping the skies fairly sunny. But before we can get that high pressure system in place, we're going to have that cold front moving through, bringing the potential for some stray showers. You can see Monday, clear skies throughout the day, but then once that cold front moves through, there it is. You can see a few showers popping up on our Futurecast model, but mainly for those areas of higher elevation in the mountains, and then it really just jumps right over us because we're going to have dry air in place. Those dew points are going to be down below 60 degrees, so it's going to be hard for any rain to really hold together. So what we're looking at is sunny skies for Monday with those temperatures a little bit cooler. Winds are going to be picking up as we head into the afternoon. And then around the region, you can see those temperatures topping out in the 70s most places, south side warming up to around 83 degrees. Elsewhere, we're going to be staying in the 70s, especially for those mountain communities. And then as we head through the next couple of days, Tuesday, we've got just a 20% chance of some showers, but most of us just seeing partly cloudy skies with those temperatures topping out in the mid 70s. And then as we head through the rest of the week, you can see lots of sunshine with those temperatures starting to warm up yet again. We are going to be warming up to about 88 degrees by Friday, and then we're going to introduce a chance for some showers and storms as we head into next weekend.